Let's see if our next challenger can do just that. This is zhavia.
My name is Zhavia. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I'm an R&B singer. I came from a really musical family. My mom was a singer in a metal band, so I would always go to band practice with her.
Just wanna be part of your symphony.
I've just always been surrounded by music like 24/7. Growing up, I moved around a lot, mostly because of problems with money. My parents divorced, and we didn't have enough money to afford our own place, so we would stay with my mom's friends and family. The way that I dealt with all the hard times was through music, and I would just write in my journal or write lyrics of how I was feeling, kind of go into a different world. And I just used that as fuel to pursue my dreams.
I love you. Love you too. I know your dreams are gonna come true, and I'm just so happy to be part of it. I get to watch. You deserve it.
I want to be successful enough to buy my mom a house one day, and I'm willing to do anything it takes to get in one of those chairs. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad I want this, I would say 100 million.
I just wanna be part of your symphony.
What's up?
How you doing, Zhavia?
I'm great. How are you?
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I'm here today to get a chair, and my family's here to support me, and I just love them so much. I'm doing this for me and them.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 16.
Are you ready to take one of these seats?
Yes, sir.
Show me what you got.
Focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. At times I wonder why I fool with you. This is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wonderful for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you're blended. Oh, so won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Oh, won't you send me your location? Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Right, coming by with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Thank you.
She's coming up.
Give it up for Jemima.
Oh my gosh, crazy. Let's see what our panel thinks.
This is why I'm here.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something. Not only did she sing amazing, her swag was incredible, like a superstar. You look, sound like, move like a young icon.
Thank you. Charlie, how much did you like that?
I feel like I was listening to the future here tonight.
Thank you.
Megan,
You're 16 years old. Imagine her at like 18. It'd be ridiculous. And I think, I mean, I love you guys, but I think you should be absolutely terrified right now. I'm so nervous for you. Great job.
Diddy.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't think that you could take one of these. I'm gonna just be honest with you.
Is that a challenge?
Look at her.
I want to know who wants to eat. Who wants that? This is what we came here to do. This is what we came here to do. This show is going to give you the reality of what it's about. Attention, America, no karaoke singers. This is not that show. This is a battle show. This is not like the other shows. And I want this show to be a true reflection of this industry.
That's right.
It's time for our panel to decide if Zhavia has what it takes to challenge one of the four for their seat. Panel, please vote now.
She's coming for us. Which one's it gonna be?
The verdict is in. Remember, you'll need all 4 rings to turn blue to earn the right to challenge one of the 4. 1. That's a yes. 2. It's a yes. 3. It's a yes. 1 more blue ring and we'll have our first challenge of the show. It's a yes! We have a challenge!
This is what I'm here for. This is what I'm here for. This is why I'm here. This is why we're here.
Zhavia has earned the panel's first official yes of the night.